Hello friends, welcome to my classes. Let's cover CBSE 2025 5 marks question from our chapter quadratic equation. Find the smallest value of p for which the quadratic equation x square minus 2p plus 1x plus p square is equal to 0 has real roots. Hence, find the roots of equation so obtained. We will start a solution by copying the complete statement for which the quadratic equation x square minus 2p plus 1x plus p square is equal to 0 has real roots. Since replace for which by since the quadratic equation x square minus 2p plus 1x plus p square is equal to 0 has real roots. Therefore, b square minus 4 times ac must be more than or equal to 0. We can write b square must be more than or equal to 4 times ac. Now what is b here? Minus 2p plus 1 square b square is more than or equal to 4 times value of a 1 value of c p square. Now on solving, can we say p plus 1 whole square minus p square is more than or equal to 0? P plus 1 plus p, that is 2p plus 1 is more than or equal to 0. We will get value of p is more than or equal to minus half. They are asking the smallest value of p. Then value of p, the smallest value of p should be equal to minus half. Since value of p is equal to minus half, can we say p plus 1 is equal to minus half plus 1, which is plus half, and p square is equal to minus half square, which is plus 1 by 4. On placing value of p, we will get x square minus 2 times p plus 1, that is half x plus p square. We can write half square equal to 0. Observe carefully, this is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is a minus b, that is x minus half whole square is equal to 0. So we will get x is equal to half comma half. Answer. Thank you.